because you get dirty. You brush your clothes. Yeah. Please tell me no. What if you take it? You did it. What? Oh, you did it. Dumbass. Why do you think I did it? You know what Alex said? When if you say there was a hole, there was two holes, and there was a right one and a left one. We're going Mario, and I say, there's a second one of the holes, and I went to go one in the guy. If you like, not that one, this one, you dumbass. He's just a joker. Yeah, but he just bad words. I just like little black. Say the beach. Say like we're going to the beach. When we're going to the Rio. And we're going to the river, not the Rio. Rio. Split your hand. I almost broke Shayla's hand last time. I have a surprise for you.